Hello and welcome back to Combe Campers. Got another little how-to T3 video for you. This time we're going to look into where you fill up your windscreen washer fluid and where your fuse panel is. So regardless of whether you have a left-hand drive or a right-hand drive T3, Vanagon, Type 25, whichever it is you want to call it, you will find your windscreen washer bottle and your fuse panel down in this footwell here. It's a right-hand drive van, it's an early 1.9 DG petrol. It's been customised by the owner. It's very much a home build, but it's full of character and the owner absolutely loves this van. You may have just bought yourself your first T3 camper, Type 25 camper, and you've got no windscreen washer fluid left. Where is it? It's not obvious in here, but I can tell you that right down here in the left-hand corner in the front near side footwell is your windscreen washer fluid bottle. In this case, you're just lifting off the black plastic cap, putting a funnel in, because it's not the easiest place to access. Putting the funnel in there and filling it with your desired windscreen washer fluid. Very simple. I think it's about a 2.5 or 3 litre bottle. It doesn't last very long, not compared to modern cars. But as with these older cars, it's always best to keep some of the fluid on board with you. Fuse panel. Again, we're staying down in this area of the dash. We've got a beautiful customised dashboard here with one of the Combe camper stickers on as well. Beautifully created by 3110 Clothing. Thank you very much, Craig, for those. So if we just open up this glove box here, there you can see this fuse panel. Now this is an early van, so it's got the early fuses, which are these bullet type fuses. Later vehicles will have the blade fuses that you would pull in and out, and they've got the 2 prongs on them there, the blade fuses. These bullet fuses you will find in a lot of earlier vehicles, but you can buy them from any motor factors, so it's not hard to get hold of them. This has had a couple of other additions, and what you'll also find just up in here are earthing points as well. So if you're wiring any accessories in and you need a decent earth point, rather than screwing an extra earth into the dash, right up in this corner here are what's called the earthing crowns, and you can add extra earths to those points there. And there you have it, another little how-to T3 video. Let us know what you'd like to see. Let us know what you thought of the video, and if you've got any other comments, please leave them down below. Click like, click subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.